This week's Tech Tip of the Week is a fun one about all the things that your Google Chrome browser could do. So did you know that Google is, or will, do a coin flip for you? Google, if you type in spinner, you get the fidget spinner, but you can also turn it into a number spinner as well. Google will also automatically set a timer for you. Google can also act as an online calculator. And not only does it act as an online calculator, but if you put in an equation, it will also, above the answer, will spell out the equation you put in for you. Google can also be used, in a pinch, as a tip calculator. So say you go out to eat at a restaurant, and your bill was $38, and you wanted to split that amongst your friends, tipping at 20%. It'll even do that for you. So, try all the tips and tricks that Google can do and make your life easier.